Hi everybody, here is SofiMarsel and I'm happy to represent you our new lighting giants, especially for optic fiber lighting system for creating starry sky effect. The first one projector is not so big and it passes to the ceilings up to 10 square meters. And it can include inside something about 300 or 400 fibers. And second, it's a very interesting model that you can use with the big projects up to 25 square meters, and it can include different fibers, something about 600 or 700 Also, this projector will include twinkle wheel inside for creation of shooting star effect. It will look like real stars in space. And we can prepare you to choose 3 types of fibers with the different dimensions. So you can buy one roll, or you can buy a roll with the different dimensions of fibers to combine it and create really amazing starry sky effect.
What is love? Open up my mouth, making a sound. Hey, hey. Caught between the sunlight and the cave. Now can be. Hey. This time, caught between the sunlight and the cave. Open up my mouth. This time.
So if you want to know more details, just call our managers and subscribe our official YouTube and Telegram channel. Thank you for clicking.